Ever wondered how outboard motors power your boat? Let's break it down in just 45 seconds. An outboard motor combines the engine, propeller, and controls all in one unit. It's mounted on the back of the boat, making it easy to remove and maintain. Inside, the motor uses either a two-stroke or four-stroke engine. Two-stroke engines are lightweight and powerful, while four-stroke engines are more fuel-efficient and quieter. Fuel mixes with air and ignites in the engine, creating power. This power turns the propeller, which pushes the boat forward. Steering is simple. You control the direction by adjusting the angle of the motor. And that's how outboard motors make boating fun and easy. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.